Welcome back to Immigration News. Join our WhatsApp group for the latest immigration news and updates. Link is given in the description. Today, we're focusing on the crucial step of the green card process, the interview. If you have a July 2024 interview scheduled, this video is for you. So let's get started. There are two key points to remember: U.S. Embassy interview and U.S. immigrant visa interview. These terms are often used interchangeably, but there's a subtle difference. Interview readiness. The U.S. Embassy interview applies to applicants residing outside the U.S. They will be interviewed at a U.S. embassy or consulate in their home country. The U.S. immigrant visa interview, on the other hand, is for applicants already in the U.S. with an approved adjustment of status application, Form I-130. They'll be interviewed by USCIS within the United States. Gathering documentation. Be prepared to prove your case. Regardless of location, thorough preparation is key. USCIS will request a specific set of documents. Double-check the USCIS website or consult an attorney to ensure you have everything in order. This typically includes your passport, medical examination results, proof of relationship for marriage-based applications, financial documentation, and evidence of your ties to the U.S., employment, property ownership, etc. Arrive early and bring organized copies of all requested documents. Interview attire and demeanor. First impressions matter. Dress professionally and arrive with a calm and confident demeanor. Greet the officer with respect and answer questions directly and honestly. Speak clearly and avoid using slang or informal language. If you don't understand a question, politely ask for clarification. The interview process. What to expect. The interview typically begins with basic biographical questions. Then, the officer will delve deeper based on your application category, marriage-based, employment-based, etc. Be prepared to discuss your relationship with your sponsor, if applicable, your immigration history, and your future plans in the U.S. Maintaining open communication. Honesty is paramount throughout the interview. If you're unsure about an answer, it's okay to say so. Don't attempt to fabricate information or provide misleading statements. If there are any discrepancies in your application, be prepared to explain them clearly. Possible interview outcomes. Understanding the next steps. There are three main interview outcomes: approval, request for additional evidence, RFE, or denial. An approval on the spot is ideal, but an RFE doesn't necessarily mean rejection. It simply means USCIS needs more information to make a decision. Denial is less common, but can happen in cases of fraud or misrepresentation. If denied, consult with an immigration attorney to understand your appeal options. Post-interview follow-up. Staying updated on your application status. After your interview, USCIS will typically send you a notification within a few weeks. You can also check your case status online using the USCIS Case Tracker tool. Remember, this segment is for general informational purposes only. For specific legal advice, consult with a qualified immigration attorney. Stay tuned to Immigration News for more updates on the U.S. green card process. We'll be back soon with another informative video.